Well, it's probably good because I love Coca-Cola and I'm a big fan of Sprite though, but I love Coca-Cola too, and I'll give that a deal.
Okay.
I like Buddy.
Is it good or bad?
Bah.
Do you taste orange?
Yes.
All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What?
A 1,
Bye.
1.5. All right.
I like Buddy.
Orange almost gives it like a stale flavor. Doesn't really mix well. I do taste the orange, barely, but I wouldn't never seek this out. 2.
This is coming get into the brewery. No. Dad.
More cream soda-y than the orange. Orange is slightly there. It's okay. Again, I'm not a big cream soda guy, but orange is definitely on the back end. I'll give that 2.9.
It was easy when it was 5 minutes away. Right up the road,
You like cherry Coke? But I'm not saying it's orange. I know, but you like cherry Coke.
It's not orange, it's orange, huh?
Yeah, it's like
There's a little cream at the back. Alright, it's orange. It goes orange Coke, orange cream at the end.
heavy. It sits there.
I like that. But just get an orange cream soda. It's good. Three flat. It's good, but just get an orange cream soda. Yeah. That's my rating.
Tastes like the orange creamsicle that you can get off the old ice cream truck with a little bit of Coke flavor to it. I'll give it a solid 4.
Have you tried it?
She's next.
I've tried it.
The orange cream's more of the aftertaste. It's good though, I like that. I'm not a big soda guy, but I'll do
I do like that. That'd be refreshing in the summer, or like a Coke float with a little spin. You probably don't want to drink out of this. Unless you
I'll
want
do
to.
a 4-1. I like it.
Yeah. 4.5. I don't really taste the orange. I just taste the cream. It reminds me of the vanilla Cokes that they have a lot. Say like 3 out of 5.
That's good. 4 out of 5. Would drink a lot of these.